Thank you for joining us today on another installment of Frost & Sullivan's exciting podcast series highlighting key disruptive technologies, growth opportunities, economic trends, new business models, industry convergence, emerging geographies, and much more. I am Deepthi Kumar Sugumar, Research Analyst with the Industrials Research Team. I'll be talking about Future of Circular Economy in the Plastic Packaging Recycling Market 2030 that highlights economic trends, new business models, and key disruptive technologies. This research comprehensively analyzes the global market for plastic packaging recycling and recovery. It comprises of individual analysis of different kinds of plastic packaging such as PET, HDPE, LDPE, PVC, and PP. We have covered the market trends and revenues as I feel it will be critical for plastic waste recycler, government institutions, and other industries dealing with plastic waste. Globally, the recycling rate for all plastic packaging in 2018 was just 28.5%. Almost 50% of the plastic packaging waste either gets landfilled or illegally dumped. Therefore, it presents tremendous opportunities across all regions for recycling and services such as waste to energy and waste to fuel. Waste to fuel presents one of the most promising values for tackling plastic packaging waste. The barriers and challenges in this market would be plastic packaging waste is processed mostly in centers without proper quality standards. No global design standards for plastic packaging that hampers the recycling process. Poor collection rates remain mainly because of lack of regulation for proper collection and sorting of waste. Volatile prices of raw materials leading to low demand for recycled plastics. Additives become contaminants, making it difficult to recycle plastic packaging. If the recycling rates are improved by overcoming the challenges of poor collection rates, volatile prices, etc., the recyclers would be able to recycle more waste volumes and generate more revenue through recycling and recovery. The growth opportunities for future of circular economy in the plastic packaging recycling market 2030 include deposit return scheme, augmented reality, composite packaging separation, plastic to fuel, and predictive analytics. On that note, I hope you enjoyed this session. Please join us for future podcasts and become a member of Frost & Sullivan by emailing us at digital@frost.com. Thank you for your time.